Hello everyone, so today we have an exciting unboxing from Fashionphile. It's a big deal, so stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Caleb, and on here you're going to find a lot of things like luxury shopping, reveals, reviews, unboxings, luxury travel, daily vlogs, pretty much anything that has to do with life and style, you're going to find it right here. So before we go any further, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up, say hi down in the comments, check me out over on Instagram, caleb.snell.designer. Today is just so exciting. So I teased you guys last Sunday and I said the special announcement that I kind of teased you about at the beginning of this video. I bought a new bag. So last week we took a look at the Balenciaga XXL flat box thing bag. Loved it. We saw the gorgeous Fendi Selleria Peekaboo in the size large. We saw a Beverly MM in the multicolor collection from Louis Vuitton. We saw the Hermès Mini Kelly, and we saw the YSL Cassandra. I loved all 5 bags, and I teased you guys and I said I bought one, so that's what we're looking at today. The 3 options from Fashionphile were the Fendi Peekaboo, the Louis Vuitton Beverly MM, and the Hermès Mini Kelly. You guys overwhelmingly guessed the Fendi Peekaboo. Why? Rewatching the video, I really talked that bag up. I really romanced it, made it a big deal. So maybe that's why. I am so excited to announce that I've added the Kelly from Hermès. I'm just kidding. I'm lying to you guys. The box is on the floor because the box is absolutely massive. No, I did not spend 25 grand on an Hermès Mini Kelly. Hashtag one day, hashtag goals. However, I did buy this. I am so excited to share it with you guys. When I saw it on the website, I knew immediately that I had to have it. Put it in cart, paid for it. Now it's here. I could not be happier. So I was talking to a couple of bag besties over on Instagram, and I had this purchase narrowed down to 2 bags. One was one of the ones that I showed you in the last video, which is here. And the other one was the Louis Vuitton Perforated Speedy 30. They have a few on Fashionphile right now in the green, and those have literally been on my wish list for like the last 15, 20 years. I don't remember when they came out, but it's been a good minute, and I've wanted one ever since. And it's still on the wish list because, as you can tell, this is not a Speedy 30, obviously. However, the bag that I purchased is a lot rarer. Oh, that's a tongue twister. The bag that I purchased is a lot more exclusive. There we go. Better word anyway. This is the most beautiful bag I've ever seen. Quite honestly, one of the crown jewels of my collection, and I do not say that lightly. In my collection of well over 60 designer handbags, some contemporary, this one beats them all. This bag is gorgeous. And you're probably thinking like, Caleb, what is it? Like, you already know, you guessed it. It's a Fendi Peekaboo. Give me this moment. Let me draw this out, building suspense, building some drama. We're here for it. Okay, let's get into it. So this bag, you guys, just completely 100% exceeded all of my expectations. It is none other than the Fendi Large Peekaboo Selleria in the calfskin Romano leather. This bag, first of all, weighs a ton, even empty. This is a hefty, hefty bag. You'll see why here in a minute. So a little bit of history about the Fendi Peekaboo. What is so special about it? Well, the Fendi Peekaboo, as we know it, was originally designed in 2008 for the Spring-Summer 2009 runway collection by Sylvie Venturini Fendi. She was trying to go for something classic, something timeless, something so simple and unique that it was very eccentric, and she knocked it out of the park with this bag. So this bag, like I said, debuted spring-summer 2009, and this was during the era of the It bag. You guys remember the It bags? So every house was trying to have like its big moment, its designer It bag, the bag on everyone's arms. So finally in 2014, Vogue magazine voted it the It bag of the year. It's literally the perfect bag. So much so, I own 3. Yes, I own 3. So the 3 that I own, I have the new one. I have the first one that I purchased. This one is absolutely stunning. It's a little bit more vintage than the others, and it has that gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous denim lining on the interior. This bag is like perfect for fall. It gives me, you know, Explorer, Indiana Jones vibes if he carried a, you know, an expensive Italian handbag through the rainforest. Then after I bought my first one, I had to buy my second one, which you guys all saw last week. This is the black with the, I think it's the calf skin with the black suede interior. I love this bag so much, you guys. It is literally the perfect neutral, goes with everything. It's classic, and because it's so understated, I like to tie, you know, either a Louis Vuitton or a Lanvin scarf on it just for like a little pop of color and whimsy. And I've shown this to you guys before, but the Fornasetti coin and cameo bandeau is perfect on this bag. It's a vibe, 100%. So my 3 Fendi Peekaboos are absolutely gorgeous. Now, why is the new one so special? I mean, did you not see my last video? If not, that's fine. Even if you did, let's dive in and look at this one a little bit more. So in 2013, Fendi added the Peekaboo silhouette to the Selleria collection. Basically, the Selleria collection uses top-end materials. They're handmade, which is so much longer than what a traditional Peekaboo takes to make, because the Fendi Peekaboo takes 1,584 stitches by hand to complete, and I absolutely love that. So with the Fendi Peekaboo Selleria, you can see those details with the whip stitches across the top of the frame here. I absolutely love that because this harkens back to the ancient Romans when they made saddles. It's just impeccable design. I absolutely love the House of Fendi. I'm not gonna stop at 3 Peekaboos. I'm sorry, Zane, it is what it is, but when you find the right bag, you just have to keep buying it in multiples. You all know I love multiples. I think I'm good on the large Peekaboo. I wanna start collecting some of the mediums. Anyway, so you're all thinking, speaking of buying things, you're thinking, Caleb, what happened to the Chanel journey? Like, you're holding a Fendi Peekaboo. You're right, I see you, you're not wrong, thank you for keeping me in check. However, this purchase did not come from the Chanel fund. I have a separate account just for my, you know, first Chanel. That went untouched for this purchase, so it was kind of a cheap purchase, I guess, maybe? I've been making a lot of those recently, you guys. I am really bad, especially when I had my appendix surgery and I was laid up on the couch. I did so much shopping. I think either next week or the week after on Sunday, you guys are gonna get a massive luxury thrift haul. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, back to the Fendi Peekaboo. So the Selleria Peekaboos, depending on material, the interiors, which I'm going to show you guys here in a minute, is literally mouth-wateringly gorgeous. It is so stunning. This bag originally retailed for just over $6,000, and now it's mine. Anyway, first things first, let's cut off the tags because I'm not playing around. This is 100% going to stay in my closet, so let's get rid of that. Fendi Peekaboos, especially the larges, come with a shoulder strap. The shoulder strap, in my opinion, on this bag, here, let me show you, way too short. It's awkward. I don't like it, so I don't use them. I just take them off, but you could easily get one of the more fun Fendi straps that are a little bit more crossbody or a little bit longer, and it would be a total vibe, 100%. We're gonna take this beautiful strap off. It can go in my strap drawer. Yes, I'm crazy. I have a drawer just for straps. Now, let me get some of the stuffing out because I am about to blow you away with the beauty that is inside this bag. Stick around. Okay, I have the stuffing out. This bag is literally going to tear my arm off, so I'm gonna be quick. We're gonna start out in the back pocket because the magic is in the front pocket, as you all know. So with the Fendi Peekaboos, you have that two-way design. I love that because I can keep kind of the more important things on the side that's close to my body, and like my sunglasses and cosmetics case on the outside, because as you all know, my Peekaboo owners, that you leave the front open so that way you can show off the inside flap. It's a vibe, it's a flex, we're here for it. Let's start out in the back. So with the back of the Selleria Peekaboos, or at least with mine, you have the metal placard. Now, this is super exciting because the metal placard is actually made from 925 sterling silver. I do believe at some point they stopped that practice, unfortunately, but I have one of them. Now this placard in here, it says Fendi Selleria Lavorazione a Mano, handmade, serial number 1925, sterling silver. I love this, guys. It is so gorgeous. So in the back, you just have the plain kind of jute canvas lining. You can see a lot more of those hand-stitched details throughout, which is gorgeous. I want to know who the maker was that made this bag. Does anyone else think like that when you're looking at your bags? Now the front. This is what you've been waiting for. This is what I've been waiting for, and we're about to dive in. Can you guys handle this? I don't know if you can, but I'm gonna show you anyway. What sold me on this bag, because you're thinking, Caleb, you were talking about like getting a flashy new Peekaboo, something gorgeous over the top. I did. It may look plain and beige on the outside, but on the inside, look at that gorgeous beadwork and embroidery. Guys, when I saw that, I immediately put it in my watch list. I ran home and I showed it to Zane and I said, listen, I found my next Peekaboo. I'm not taking no for an answer. I'm letting you know that I'm about to make this purchase. Because normally over a certain dollar amount, we talk about it just so that way we're on the same page. It aligns with our financial goals, yada yada, being an adult, gross. But I told him like this is an occasion where we're throwing reason out the window and I am putting in cart and checking out right now. I'm not playing games. We had a chat. I did wait a couple extra days just to get some news that we were waiting on. The news came through, which was good news, and I made the purchase. This bag is the most gorgeous in my collection. I mean, can you argue that this bag is absolutely stunning? I don't think you can. I mean, hello. So on the interior, you have this beautiful glass beadwork. It's the majority of the weight comes from this really thick, rich pebbled leather, but then these beads are just everywhere. And they go around the entire interior. So you have them not only on the front, but down the sides. Only on the front interior slat do you have the canvas jute lining. It is so luxurious. It is so rich and beautifully detailed. It has 1925 on there, which was of course the year that Fendi was established, and wow, I can't get over it. I am so in love with this bag, you guys. I'm not even kidding. I don't even have words. That is how beautiful this bag is. I am so happy. This is one of my better purchases. I'm not gonna lie. Like I've got some really good stuff in my collection, so if you haven't yet, treat yourself. It's about 45 minutes long, but check out my designer bag collection. But you guys, I am not exaggerating when I say this is the pinnacle bag in my collection. It is absolutely stunning. Now, price-wise, what did I pay? So I shared with you guys earlier that this bag was originally retailing for $6,000, 6,000 USD for the Selleria Peekaboos. This one might have been a little bit more just because of all the hand embroidery and beadwork. I wouldn't be surprised if it was probably closer to 7. I don't know though for sure. I haven't been into Fendi long enough to kind of give you guys those answers. Now, if this is like Balenciaga or Louis Vuitton, I could have told you everything about it and more, but I'm a little new to Fendi, he said after he opened his third Peekaboo. Still a little new though. I paid, I want to say 12, 13, 14. I can't remember. Convenient amnesia. I know, Zane. You make the joke again. It was funny the first time. Anyway, I paid something. I can't remember. It's here in my arms. It's here in my hand. And I cannot wait to take this out. But the Selleria program is absolutely gorgeous. The quality here is stunning. I have the bright gold hardware. Of course, we have feet, because what bag on this channel would be complete without feet? I don't know how long this is. I've rambled. We have a new Peekaboo. I now have 1, 2, 3 Peekaboos, and I'm already scoping out others. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. With the Peekaboo, we've seen so many sizes. I have the large here. We've seen mediums, we've seen minis, we've seen the X light that goes on the shoulder. So many iterations, the ICU, the iconic. This bag is Fendi's bread and butter. It's going to be around for a very, very, very long time. The great thing for us collectors, it's a double-edged sword. These do not hold their value. Like I said, this bag was originally $6K. I got it for 12, I think. Do I want to run into the store and buy a brand new one? Absolutely. Is it a smart decision? Maybe not. But I still will one day. I really want to do the made-to-order program. I think that would be the end-all be-all. Maybe that'll be my 35th birthday present to myself. Zane, take notes. What do you think? Let me know. I'm assuming he's agreeing, right? Let's hope. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. Do you love my new Peekaboo? What medium ones should I add? Do I need to add an exotic one? Should I get an iconic, an ICU? What do we think about the X Lite? Because I've been kind of eyeing that too lately. I just think the Peekaboo is so iconic. We all need them. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. It's actually 1 a.m. as I'm filming this, and I am super exhausted, so I hope I didn't ramble too much. I probably did. I'm really bad when I'm fully awake, and I'm even worse when I'm not totally with it. So sorry, Zane, you had your work cut out for you. Again, thank you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me again today. Thank you for everyone that participated or is participating in the tag video that I did last week. Thank you everyone who guessed. You literally all said the Fendi Peekaboo. I'm gonna have to do better in my next video when I'm teasing you guys and hinting at a new purchase. I might have to tone it down a little bit. And the funny thing is, I know Zane's rolling his eyes, I'm totally rambling at this point. The funny thing is, before I hit purchase on the Fendi Peekaboo, I knew I was going to tease you guys and say, oh, which one did I get? I purposely filmed the Fashionphile footage that I used over off to the side before filming it, so it didn't say sold out. I literally tried to do that to trick you guys, but you guys are too smart. You know me too well. You know I like buying multiples, and when I love something, I'm gonna buy it. So you guessed right. Congratulations. Thank you so much for joining me again today. This was a lot of fun. I'm loving my new bag. I will see you all on Wednesday, and until then, stay safe, have fun, and I will see you guys in the next one. All right, guys. Bye-bye.